In this video, we will show you how to delete all TikTok videos at once. Maybe you have a TikTok account and you want to delete all your video rather than clicking the video one by one and deleting them manually. It will be very annoying or it be very consume much times. In here, you can delete the TikTok video, all of your TikTok video at once. Okay, but you must do this on the desktop. It cannot be deleted on your mobile apps. How to do that? First, you need to open the Google Chrome because this only can be used Google Chrome. And the second, you need to click this extension, okay, and select manage extensions, or you can go to this icon and select the extension and select visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, after that, type the delete TikTok video. This is delete all my video on TikTok. Don't make mistake, select the first option here. Delete all my videos on TikTok. Click this and select add to Chrome. Okay, this is the extension that we will use and select add extension. After you add the extension, you can see you will have this extension delete all my videos on TikTok. After that, you can reload your TikTok account. Just reload this. Okay. Now you can see, because in this case, for example, I have 6 video. I can delete 100 or 1000 video in just maybe 1 hour until 5 hours if 1000 video. But for the 6 video, it's very fast, and the 100 video maybe consume minutes. Okay, you can just try. This is, for example, you need to delete from the date until date. Okay, for example, I will delete all here and click start. Okay, and click agree. Now the application will take care deleting all your video here. Okay, you can see all of my video is deleted automatically and not using manual method one by one. I'm seeing the tutorial on YouTube, and I think this is the first tutorial that original or real deleting all our video on TikTok. Let's see. After all is complete, our all of video will gone. Okay, confirm, delete, and done. Okay, you can see now we don't have any video again. Okay, you can see on our profile, and we can stop this and click done and click cancel, and you can see all of our video is deleted successfully. And with this method, you can delete all of your video if you want to rebranding your TikTok account, or you need just to delete all of your video. This is the easiest method. Okay, if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.